So I have forward controls on my Yamaha 1100 Virago, and even though I've gotten used to the forward controls, I find it a bit restrictive to change my feet positions. So yeah, I bought those floorboards and thought I would try to mount them and see how I like that. But those are made to fit the stock foot pegs. So I also had to buy those converters and cut off the stock mounting points and modify the converters to the stock mounting pin. Yeah, then just mounted these, and they do stick out a bit further than the foot pegs, but I think still manageable. So yeah, those floorboards gave me a lot more options, like how to have my feet and also change them around when you get tired in your knees or leg. It can be exhausting to have it in the same position a long time. However, driving with those floorboards, like the foot controls, especially the shifter, I'm not sure why, but it made it really wonky to shift. On this first test run here, I actually misshifted several times, and that had never happened before on this bike. So yeah, I actually ended up switching back to the foot pegs.